I have no words for that thing because Java, coding, scripting, HTML. Uh, I thought these things are really hard. I can build with these things my website, but after you guys taught me that you don't need to learn any coding, any complication things. You just make a website with a drag and drop,
Hmm.
and it's so easy, very easy.
If someone wants to join you, I'm recommending someone for joining this movement because of who want to grow their mindset. They should join the program. If someone uh, build their wealth, they should join you. They want to grow their communication, their confidence, their skills. They should join you.
Make you cry like a baby. Your body love when I make this video. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi everyone, meet Vishnu. He's a digital nomad and he's from Gurgaon, Haryana. So he got his first client in just 21 days, starting his digital nomad journey. He launched and he started approaching clients less than 21 days. So how is congratulations for launching your business, Vishnu?
Thank you so much, Bipin.
So how is your experience and journey so far? In one word, if you want to say.
Um, so powerful and so energetic. Everything was new in this journey for me.
Got
Before that, I never learned uh, these type of experiences like how to build your confidence, how to make conversation with a client.
it.
So
It
this
is.
kind of things that I learned from
I
you.
Yeah, yeah. I will ask you. I'll ask you more. So tell me about your background. So are you from digital marketing background or what's your background?
No, I don't have any digital marketing background. Totally, all things are new for me, as I told you before. And this journey was also so tragic for me when I joined this movement. Uh, I lost my job, and after that, after joining, in 2 3 days, my father lost his job because his company was, buy from other guy. And my wife was working somewhere. She was a nurse. She lost his job, so the journey was very tragic for me. But after this journey, I got to know that if you have that mindset that you can do, you can achieve the things, everything will be so easy, very smooth. And thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Got it. So now it's yeah, you lost your job, wife lost job. I mean, then also your father also quit it, came out from job.
Yeah.
Okay. But now in that tough time, how did this program or the mindset program help you?
It makes me strong. It made me strong, and it make me easy that I can take things very smoothly. I can, you know, make decisions like very calmly.
Hmm.
So the mindset program helped me with that.
Okay, it gave you confidence. It
Yeah,
showed you how to handle risk time very smoothly.
yeah, yeah.
Nice. That's amazing. And tell me, like, uh, within a month, what all skills you learned?
Okay, if we are talking about the skills, so I learned how to run Facebook ads.
Okay.
I didn't know how to run an ad before that program, and I also learned how to make conversation with a client and
Mm.
with a confidence. You know,
Hmm.
uh, So make a conversation with someone is really tough for me before that.
Hmm.
I was very shy person, but after mindset program, after the skills, after your
Sales.
coaching guidance, I learned how to build the communication,
How
how
to
to
communicate with clients, how to do sales
communicate.
calls,
Yeah,
uh,
how to
client
share the concept.
communication. Nice. Copywriting, how to write sales.
Copywriting. Okay. For copywriting, I often use AI programs.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm not so creative, I know, but with the time, I'll
Got
improve
it.
myself.
Got it. So, what about website? Have you built your website?
Yeah, I built my website.
Okay. How was your experience, building your website, and how many days you built?
Uh, when I was building my website, I took 3 to 4 days to build my website properly, and Amin was helping us
Hmm.
very much. He's a great guy, He he taught us really a lot of things. And
Awesome.
I think that's everything.
So, when before, uh, like when people said website and all that,
Mhm.
and now you have done, like what people said and what you have done, was this easy, or because a lot of people say website you need to learn coding, Java, and all of that, and here with just drag and drop, you've done it so easily in 3 days. So, what do you have to say for that?
Uh, I have no words for that thing because Java, coding, scripting, HTML. Uh, I thought these things are really hard. I can build with these things my website, but after you guys taught me that you don't need to learn any coding, any computation things. You just make a website with a drag and drop,
Hmm.
and it's so easy, very easy.
Awesome.
Yeah. I
So now,
took 3 4 days because I want to build a website
hmm,
like in a proper way.
hmm.
And
So have you I mean, now you know how to build website, how to run ads, client communication. You've also launched your business. Okay. So what you have to say for someone who want to join the digital nomad movement, because in 30 days they will say we cannot learn this. It is all, it's not real and all that. So what words do you have?
Okay. If someone wants to join you, I'm recommending someone for joining this movement because of who want to grow their mindset.
Hmm.
They should join the program. If someone uh, build their wealth, they should join you. They want to grow their communication, their confidence, their skills.
Hmm.
They should join you. So I recommend it
Got it.
to
So,
everyone who wants to earn and who wants to build their confidence.
awesome. So, with just this confidence and this mindset, we can change the life. Now
Yes.
it's been, okay, in 3 months, we are building our skills and mindset. And then next 3 months, next 3 years, your life will be completely changed. And that's what happened to me. And the same thing will happen to you as well. And I also remember your comment, uh, that you have your dream car to buy, you will buy that.
Yeah, I will buy
Yes,
that.
that's it. One idea, long period of time, having that growth mindset will take you to a whole different level. Yeah. So amazing. Really happy to see that you have taken action. You have seen improvements, mindset wise, skill wise, and you've been technically doing the digital marketing things. That's really amazing. So, are you from commerce background or science background?
Yeah, I was uh, medical science. My background was medical
Okay,
science.
completely medical science.
Yeah,
Okay, so this commerce business is completely new to you.
yeah,
Okay, are you liking it?
yeah. Of course, I'm liking it very much.
Okay, because science people they have a different taste, but this commerce business is a different taste. So, okay, if a science student or a medical student can do this, anyone can really do this, correct?
Yeah, anyone can do it. Anyone. It's so easy, man.
Nice. Um, awesome.
Really, it's fun with learn.
Correct. And what about the community support? Did you get help from the community when you joined?
Every time.
Every time.
Every time.
Okay.
Bojana, you, Amin was every time with me whenever I need.
Got it. Nice.
So,
So I would say, like, um, good job, great. This is just the beginning. You have a long way to go. The only way is keep pushing, keep pushing. Whenever the challenges comes, keep pushing. See, everything in this world, whatever you try, there is challenges which will come in the way. Rejections or failures in those steps. Let's say you're doing Facebook ads. You'll do it. You've learned, but there will be some mistakes. You will make mistakes and you'll fail. That means you're failing in that particular work. That's it. You're not failing in business. You're not failing in life. So that is a challenge. You keep pushing through the challenge. Whenever you do some mistake, ask yourself, wait, how can I improve? This one question will change your life. How can I improve? What better can I do? That's it. When you keep improving, you become 1% better than yesterday. By the end of 365 days, you're 365% better than the last year. That 300% growth will reflect in your income, in your mindset, in your personality, in your skills, everything. So just the beginning, there is a long way. I would wish good luck and do attend calls. Do attend the weekly calls.
sure.
Okay.
Sometimes I was busy during the calls,
I
some
understand.
traveling. And also, Bipin, I am applying your coaching and guidance in my new business also. I want to build a brand
Okay.
of clothing brand.
Okay.
So everything is working. Everything is going good. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
nice. So what's that brand about?
It's a clothing brand, and we are launching a new hoodie this winter.
Okay.
Have you got me?
Yeah, I got it. Clothing brand you're launching in this new winter. So it's all about the business. Marketing now.
Yeah.
Marketing. So you need to apply for your business. Can you see that you can directly apply to your business? Can you see from the program, the brand that you're starting? Is it applicable? Simple words.
Yeah, it is applicable. And
Yeah,
in every business, marketing is the same.
correct.
Yeah. And the
Got it.
mindset. Most
Correct.
important is mindset. If you
Yes.
have the mindset, you can achieve anything in this world.
Very true. That's it. You're in the right place. Uh, just focus on your goal. It will come true.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
See you in the weekly calls.
Okay.